In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smallpdf. Smallpdf is a simple, web-based toolkit for working with PDFs. You can convert, compress, edit, merge, split, and even sign files without installing extra software. I'll walk you through the basics, and as a quick demo, we'll convert a PDF into a Word document so you can edit it easily. First, open your browser and go to smallpdf.com. You'll land on the homepage where all the tools are displayed in a clean grid. If you're prompted to sign in, click Continue with Google. This lets you log in quickly using your Google account so your files and recent tasks can be saved. On the Google sign-in screen, select your account and complete the sign-in. If you don't want to create an account, you can still try many tools, but some features may be limited on the free plan. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of tools. The most popular ones include Convert PDF, Compress PDF, Edit PDF, Merge PDF, Split PDF, and Sign PDF. For this demo, let's choose PDF to Word, which turns your PDF into an editable .docx file. Click PDF to Word. On the conversion page, select Select Files. Choose the PDF you want to convert from your computer. As a tip, you can also drag and drop your file directly onto the page, and if you see cloud icons, you may be able to import from services like Google Drive or Dropbox. After you select your file, it will start uploading. This may take a moment depending on the file size and your internet speed. When the file is ready, click Convert. If you see any options, pick the one that best fits your needs. The standard conversion works well for most digital PDFs. If your PDF is a scan and the text isn't selectable, you might need an OCR option, which is sometimes a paid feature. While the conversion runs, keep the tab open. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. When the conversion finishes, click Download. Choose a location on your computer and save the Word file. Open it to review the formatting. Most text, headings, and simple layouts convert cleanly, but complex designs or special fonts may need a few quick edits. If something looks off, try re-exporting the original PDF at a higher quality before converting, which can improve results. That's all you need to use Smallpdf for a fast PDF to Word conversion. From here, you can explore the other tools on the home page to compress large PDFs, edit or annotate pages, combine files, or add signatures, all using the same straightforward flow.